Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Regarding drones, few brands dominate the market as decisively as DJI. Known for consistently pushing the boundaries of innovation, DJI has a well-deserved reputation for delivering exceptional products. Today, we delve into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone making waves in the tech community. But the real question is, does it live up to the buzz, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's dive into its features, performance, and whether it truly deserves its place as a game-changer in the drone market. The evolution of drones, setting the stage. Drones have come a long way, evolving from niche tech gadgets to indispensable tools for photographers, videographers, and even businesses. Each new release claims to revolutionize the market, but only a few brands deliver on their promises. DJI has cemented itself as an industry leader, consistently raising the bar with cutting-edge technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro enters this competitive landscape with bold claims: unparalleled portability, robust performance, and professional-grade features. But can it genuinely deliver? First impressions: the DJI Mini 5 Pro at a glance. From the moment you unbox the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it's clear this is no ordinary drone. Its sleek, lightweight design is not just eye-catching but functional, making it incredibly easy to transport. Weighing just under 250 grams, it's small enough to slip into your backpack, yet powerful enough to rival larger and more expensive drones. Its standout features include a 48-megapixel camera, advanced flight modes, and an impressive 31-minute flight time. On paper, these specs are jaw-dropping, but let's dig deeper to see how they hold up in real-world scenarios. Camera quality, a game-changer for creators. The camera is undoubtedly the crown jewel of the Mini 5 Pro. DJI has made significant strides in improving the sensor, offering a much larger upgrade compared to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. The 48-megapixel resolution delivers stunning clarity and vibrant detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. For content creators, this means you can capture breathtaking landscapes, track moving subjects with precision, and achieve cinematic aerial shots effortlessly. The dynamic range ensures your footage pops with rich colors and depth, making every shot a masterpiece. Whether you're a professional videographer or an enthusiast capturing your adventures, the Mini 5 Pro bridges the gap between convenience and capability. Its performance is equally impressive under bright sunlight or during twilight, proving its versatility in various conditions. Battery life, extended freedom to explore. Battery life can make or break a drone, and DJI has addressed this crucial aspect with the Mini 5 Pro. Boasting up to 31 minutes of flight time per charge, this drone is a reliable companion for extended shooting sessions. Real-world tests reveal an average flight time of 29 to 30 minutes under normal conditions, which is a significant improvement over previous models. This extended flight time is a game-changer for creators navigating dense forests, vast mountain ranges, or bustling urban landscapes. It eliminates the constant worry of recharging, allowing you to focus entirely on capturing your creative vision. Portability and ease of use, designed for everyone. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just about power, it's also about accessibility. Its compact design makes it a breeze to carry, and the intuitive setup ensures that even beginners can get started without a steep learning curve. For seasoned pilots, the drone offers customizable settings, enabling precise control and advanced maneuvers. Whether you're capturing a casual outing or working on a professional project, the Mini 5 Pro provides a seamless and satisfying user experience. Intelligent flight modes, creativity made simple. DJI has packed the Mini 5 Pro with intelligent flight modes that elevate your creative possibilities. Active Track, for example, allows the drone to lock onto a subject and follow it smoothly, ensuring stable footage even in dynamic situations. Master Shots is another standout feature, automatically stitching together a series of movements to produce polished, cinematic videos with minimal effort. These tools are perfect for creators who want professional quality content without spending hours in post-production. Real-world performance, exceeding expectations. On paper, the Mini 5 Pro's specifications are impressive, but it's the real-world performance that truly sets it apart. The drone remains stable even in windy conditions, producing smooth and jitter-free footage. Its responsive controls allow for precise navigation, making it ideal for capturing intricate shots in tight spaces. The improved range ensures a reliable connection, even when pushing the drone to its limits. This reliability allows you to focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about losing signal or control. Is it worth the hype? After thorough testing, it's safe to say that the DJI Mini 5 Pro lives up to most of its promises. Its robust camera, extended flight time, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for hobbyists, content creators, and professionals alike. However, it's not without its limitations. The price point may deter casual users who don't need all the advanced features, and carrying extra batteries is still advisable for extended shoots. Who is it for? The Mini 5 Pro caters to a wide audience, from beginners entering the world of aerial photography to seasoned professionals seeking a portable yet powerful tool. Its intelligent features and high-quality output make it especially appealing to content creators looking to elevate their videos. What it lacks? While the Mini 5 Pro excels in many areas, its price may be a sticking point for some users. Additionally, those requiring extensive flight times should consider investing in extra batteries to ensure uninterrupted shooting. Verdict: a revolutionary step forward. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a reimagining of what a compact drone can achieve. With its powerful camera, long flight time, and intuitive controls, it's a worthy investment for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. As always, the final decision depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're searching for a drone that balances portability with professional-grade features, the Mini 5 Pro deserves your attention. Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are its features enough to justify the hype, or do you see room for improvement? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check out more reviews and comparisons on technology in the future to make informed decisions about your tech investments.